Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to split a video in Capcut. Okay, first you need to import the video, which I did, import and then drag the video in here. And then go to the position where you want to actually cut it. Maybe over here. Okay, so you want to cut it here. Basically, it's this button over here. Just split this button over here. Okay, split it. There you go. You have a section which is split like this. So you can actually cut it. Okay, if any sections that you don't want, you can actually go to, for example, until here, split. And then you just delete the section that you don't want. Then the section is now deleted. That's how to actually split video. I hope you find this video useful. If you find it useful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.